what exactly do you want from your professional career? You want to become a successful clinician, or is it that you want to stay in the academic life? You want to become an assistant professor, or is it that you just want a good life, a good professional life, doing what you like, which is, I'm assuming, being a clinician, and rest everything doesn't matter much. Why are these questions important? Because when you are living in the confines of those four walls of your medical college, the world that you see is very different from the real world outside. In that campus, all that matters is degree. If you don't have a MD/MS, you are looked down upon. If you get into preclinical or paraclinical, sometimes even in those cases you are looked down upon. But that happens only within that campus. Outside the campus, the definition of being successful or a failure are very different. People don't care whether you are a pathologist or whether you are a surgeon or whether you are a psychiatrist. Your degrees and your departments don't matter that much. What the world cares about is how are you doing. I'll give you an example. One of my batchmates from my medical college who failed, I think, once or twice in the MBBS and had multiple supplies throughout the 4 years, and who got who opted for a diploma, not degree, who got diploma, who could not get a rank good enough to get a MD or MS seat. Today he has the most roaring practice amongst all. He is doing exceedingly well, much better than people who got single digit rank. The reason is he took his diploma, got outside, went into practice, established his private practice, put a lot of effort, and now if you want to take his appointment, you'll have to wait for a couple of days. Why am I telling you this example? Because you think that getting into a good branch, getting into a good college and getting a MD/MS seat is the only thing that matters and is the only thing that makes you successful. But this is not true at all. So that is why I was asking you, do you want to become a good clinician? Do you want to have a successful professional life? In that case, probably whether you pick a diploma or degree does not matter much. Whether you go to a small place, a small city, or whether you go to a big hospital or big college in Delhi, doesn't matter that much, because there are things beyond your degree. So that is one aspect that most of the students just ignore.